Hi foodies, welcome back to Jamrock Treats. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious creamy smooth potato. So you're gonna need some whole milk, butter and Irish potato. I think I'm using about 2 pounds. So you wash and clean up your potatoes and then to a pot you add some water and a little bit of salt. Then you add your potatoes. Once that's cooked, take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Once you insert the fork and it breaks, then it's cooked. Strain it off and add it to a pan. Then you add your butter, about a tablespoon, and you add some milk. Mix it around using your hand mixer, and you go so it get nice and smooth. So once it gets to this consistency, add another tablespoon of butter, and I'm also adding some white pepper. White pepper give it this really nice flavor. And you mix it out again, and there you have it, some nice creamy smooth mashed potatoes. Keep following for more delicious recipes.